Hey guys, it's Smart B, and we're here today with another Love Me tutorial. Today is going to be a little bit different because I'm using this particular wig for a one-on-one training class for a student of mine. But anyway, this is a 13x4 kinky straight unit, and we're going to go ahead and jump in. So you guys already know the deal. You already know how we get down with the beginning process. So the client has already been braided down and the ball cap applied. So now I'm just using my latex adhesive. But now that the glue is applied, I've already customized this lace wig. Again, this was a regular medium brown lace, 13x4. And I did tint the lace to match the client's skin tone. Here we're cutting the ear tabs out, and we're going to fit the wig on both sides so that it can be tucked behind the ear. Now that the ear tabs have been cut on both sides, I'm going to cut 1-inch partings across the front of the lace to get ready to remove the excess lace from the wig. Now I'm going to use an eyebrow razor to cut the excess lace from the wig. And I'm explaining to my student that you can use the eyebrow razor or the shears. And I did one side and then I let her do the other side. So yeah, but you use whatever works for you. And here you can see that the lace tint has flawlessly melted the lace into the client's skin. And again, you guys make sure that you stay tuned for the drop of the lace tint. So we're getting ready to do a half up, half down pony style with this wig. On one side, my student did cut a little bit more lace than I needed her to cut, but she was learning, and this is all a part of the process. So we're still gonna go through and do the style, but we had a little bit of mishap, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my client's lace down so that it can melt before I get ready to lay the baby hair. So I have pulled out 2 pieces in the front, and I'm cutting the baby hair just to give kind of a seamless look and to make sure that we mask where there was more lace cut than needed. So after we do that, we're going to use a little bit of foam wrap to lay the baby hair and an edge brush. So I like this foam wrap because it doesn't make the lace lift so bad. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. Make sure you work quickly and tie the lace down immediately, and put the client under the dryer for about 15 minutes or until the lace is dry. now that the lace is dry, I'm going to remove the band so the baby hair is dry. And like I said, we did a half up, half down style. So to give a little more height in the ponytail part of it, I'm going to use some elastic, some gold elastic to wrap around the ponytail just to give me a little bit of height on it and to make the style just kind of a little more cute, a little more fashion forward. So I'm just wrapping this around tightly, and I'm probably going to wrap it around up to about 2 inches, and then I'm going to cut and tie the rest of the elastic. So here's the final look. Even though we had a little bit of a mishap with the lace on the training class that I did, it's still super cute, super fun. Gives very natural tea vibes on her